Located north of Roma, Texas, is Falcon State Park. This 576-acre state park is located on the border of Texas and Mexico and is part of the Falcon International Reservoir. Mexican President Adolfo Ruiz Cortines and President Dwight D. Eisenhower dedicated Falcon Dam in October 1953, creating an 84,000 surface acre lake for irrigating crops, providing power, flood control, and of course recreation. Entrance fees are $3 for adults or $5 on holidays. Children 12 and under are free. If you are a Texas Parks Pass holder, entrance is also free. Whitebrush Trail begins at headquarters and is 0.9 miles long. There are some rocky elevations at the beginning, but smooths out the farther you go. The Whitebrush Trail connects to the Woodlands Trail, which is closest to the tent and RV camping sites on Javelina Run. There are 2 points of entry where campers can access this trail on either end of Site F. There were several rabbits along this trail, apparently all of which were camera shy. At the end of the Woodlands Trail is the Desert Trail, which will take you past primitive camping sites 43 through 79. Going a little farther will take you towards Catfish Lane, where the boating ramp and fish cleaning stations are located. This trail does not have much shade, so take it when it's cooler. Across Desert Trail, you will come across the road for Black Bass Loop. This is where primitive sites 43 through 79 are located. There's a facility nearby with both showers and bathrooms that were clean. One thing about this state park is that they have more than plenty of clean picnic areas for you to choose from and enjoy. This one in particular is in the Black Bass Loop area. All the picnic areas are covered and each one has a grill. Trash cans are also nearby. Going down Catfish Lane and sandwiched in between Desert and Verdin Trail is the boat ramp. There is ample parking, but the water levels were low and the boat ramp was not in use during my time here. A fish cleaning station is located near the boating ramp. This station was really clean, and I liked that it was covered and seemed larger than most cleaning stations. There appeared to be only one fish cleaning station in the park though. The Desert Trail connects to Verdin Trail, which can also be accessed from the parking lot of the boat ramp area. Further along this trail are picnic areas as well, which can also be accessed by car going down the road towards Osprey Loop. Verdin Trail connects to the last leg of this loop, Roadrunner Trail, which will take you back to headquarters. The total loop is approximately 2.6 miles long and generally easy. Osprey Loop is the location for shelters and cabins. Entering Osprey Loop, there are picnic tables to the side and an unpaved road where you can get down to the water. It appears people were using this as a way to get their boats into the water when the boat ramp was closed. Fishing is popular here at the park, where anglers will primarily catch largemouth bass and channel catfish. No license is needed to fish from the shore. However, one will be needed if fishing by boat. At the time of this video, freshwater licenses for residents was $30, seniors are $12, and non-residents are $58. Let me know in the comments, what's the best part of fishing for you? And what's the biggest fish you've ever caught? Full hookup campsites are $18 a night and include 30 and 50 amp hookups with sewer hookups as well. Campsites with electricity are $16 a night, and campsites with water are $10. Campsites with water are located in the Javelina Loop and are not reservable. There are 12 screen shelters that are 12 feet by 18 feet. Tents, pop-ups, and trailers longer than 18 feet are not allowed. Nightly fee is $25. Cabins are $40 a night and the same size as the shelters, but also come with an AC unit. These cabins have a steel door and a deadbolt. There are no bathrooms for the cabins or shelters, but bathrooms and showers are located nearby.